today's video, let's talk about will the Tesla Model X wheel spacers scratch with the fender. Let's go.
In fact, proper-sized Tesla Model S wheel spacers won't scratch the fender at all. The fender gap is basically the rounded portion of the car that you often see between the wheels and the fender flares. As long as you keep the wheels and the tires being covered by the fenders, there won't be any rubbing issues. Besides, properly filling the fender gap with Tesla Model S wheel spacers improves the appearance and handling. However, every car's fender gap is various, even if they are the same exact cars. This gap of the front wheel and the rear wheel is different. Knowing how much the fender gap helps you choose the correct Tesla Model S wheel spacers. Take a straight edge and place it against the outermost part of the tires. Then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. If the rear wheel is 50 mm, then 50 mm Tesla Model S wheel spacers will make the wheels flush with the fenders. Correct Tesla Model S wheel spacers won't cause any rubbing issues. So, it is important to check whether there is tire rubbing. After installing Tesla Model S spacers, put the car on the ground, rotate the steering wheels to one extreme position, and inspect the wheel well of the outside tire. If there is a rubbing, you will notice clear signs on the internal fender and the liner. But if there aren't any rubbing signs, these Tesla Model S wheel spacers fit your vehicle perfectly. Bonus produces Tesla Model S wheel spacers from 3 mm to 75 mm and has developed special wheel spacers for various racing events or street drifting. Bonus Tesla Model S wheel spacers are well machined to fit your stock or aftermarket wheels and tires. Besides, bonus Tesla Model S wheel spacers provide ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud and ISO grade 10 lug nut. They are strong and durable, enough to deal with daily driving, even racing events, and other things. A key advantage of bonus Tesla Model S wheel spacers is the active cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, effectively dissipating heat from the braking system.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.